Some things were never meant to exist, so they were buried. Welcome back to the Mythical Atlas, where every country hides a legend. Chapter 23, the Grootslang, something beneath the earth. The Grootslang is not just a creature of legend. In African folklore, it is said to be one of the oldest beings on earth. A fusion of beasts too powerful to exist above, so it was cast deep beneath the land where it still waits. The legend of the Grootslang. In lands where ancient rivers wind beneath the stone beyond the light, there sleeps a thing from older time that never faced the world above. Not born of nature as we know, but shaped when earth and beasts were one. A form too great, too wild to hold, so deep below it was undone. With tusks of ivory, scales of night, it coils through caverns lost to man, a watcher in the endless dark, guarding riches no hand can claim. They say it knows when footsteps fall, when echoes stir its silent throne, and those who wander far too deep are never seen, not heard, nor known. So still the stories linger on of something vast beneath the land, not just a beast, but something more that waits and watches in the sand. In Botswana, this legend was never just fear. It was a warning about what waits below, because some creatures were not destroyed, only buried. So, ladies and gentlemen, where will we go next? Brazil, where the forest never sleeps. Deep in the Amazon, there is something that should not be human. And remember, every country hides a legend. Until next time, keep exploring the Mythical Atlas. So next time we travel to Brazil, where something that should not be human still walks. Subscribe and join as we continue exploring the legends of the world.